Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, photogenic makeup. Whether you're getting ready for a professional photo shoot, prepping for a big event, or even just snapping some selfies for the gram, having a makeup look that translates beautifully on camera is a total game changer. Now, we've all been there, spending hours perfecting our makeup only to realize it looks completely different in photos. Maybe your foundation looks patchy, your eyeliner disappears, or there's that dreaded flashback from powders. Don't worry, we've all had those moments. But today, I'm here to help you avoid all of that and take your camera-ready makeup skills to the next level. In this video, I'll be walking you through all the essential steps, from prepping your skin to locking in your final look with setting spray. I'll also share some of my favorite products and techniques that make a huge difference in how your makeup appears under different types of lighting. And don't worry, these tips work for everyone, whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro. Step 1 is prepping your skin, the foundation of any flawless photogenic makeup looks. Always start with a clean, moisturized face. Hydration is key to achieving that smooth, glowing canvas we all love. Use a lightweight moisturizer to nourish your skin without adding excess shine, especially if you're planning to be in front of the camera. Next, don't skip the primer. It's an absolute game changer. A good primer not only helps your makeup last longer, but also smooths out your skin and minimizes the appearance of pores. If you have oily skin, reach for a mattifying primer to keep shine under control. Trust me, this step makes all the difference in how your makeup looks in photos. Step 2 is choosing the right foundation for a flawless camera-ready look. This step is so important because the wrong foundation can completely throw off your makeup in photos. First, avoid foundations or powders with SPF. While SPF is great for everyday wear, it can cause a white cast when flash photography is involved, and no one wants that washed-out look in their pictures. Next, let's talk finishes. Dewy foundations might look beautiful in person, but they can sometimes appear too shiny in photos. Instead, opt for a matte or satin finish. It gives you that perfect balance of natural and polished without the excess shine. Finally, blending is everything. Use a damp makeup sponge or a good quality brush to ensure your foundation is evenly applied and streak-free. Take your time with this step. It's the key to that seamless, airbrushed effect on camera. Now let's move on to step 3, concealer and contour. Start by using a concealer that's one shade lighter than your foundation to brighten up your under-eye area. This will make you look awake, fresh, and radiant in photos. Then it's time to define those features. Use a contour stick or powder to sculpt your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Blend everything well. Harsh lines can be super noticeable on camera, and we're going for a seamless, natural finish here. Step 4 is all about setting your makeup to keep it in place and picture perfect. Use a translucent powder to set your T-zone and under-eye area, as this will help prevent shine and creasing. But remember, less is more. Over-powdering can leave your skin looking cakey and flat in photos, so just focus on the areas that tend to get oily or need extra staying power. Next up, step 5, enhancing your eyes. Stick to neutral eyeshadow shades that naturally enhance your eye shape. If you want to add a little extra dimension, dab a touch of shimmer on the center of your lids. It'll catch the light beautifully in photos. Define your eyes with black or dark brown eyeliner, and for an extra pop, tightline your upper lash line. Finish it off with mascara or a pair of false lashes for fuller, dramatic lashes that will make your eyes the star of the show. Step 6, perfecting your brows. Your eyebrows frame your face, so don't skip this step. Use a pencil or powder to fill them in naturally, following their natural shape. Avoid overdrawing or making them too dark. We want polished, not overpowering. A quick comb through with a spoolie will keep them looking neat and defined. On to step 7. Adding that flush of color and a touch of glow. When it comes to blush, placement is key, and it's different for every face shape. If you have a round face, focus the blush slightly higher on your cheekbones to create a lifting effect. For square or angular faces, softening the apples of your cheeks works beautifully. And if you have an oval or heart-shaped face, blending upward toward your temples can enhance your natural structure. Now for highlighter, stick to the high points of your face like your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. This creates a subtle, radiant glow that looks stunning in photos. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Too much highlighter can look overly shiny on camera, and we're aiming for a soft, luminous finish. Step 8 is choosing the perfect lip color. You can't go wrong with a classic nude or a bold shade that complements your skin tone. Just avoid overly glossy lipsticks, as they can reflect too much light in photos. Outline your lips with a lip liner to define them and prevent your lipstick from smudging. This little trick makes a huge difference in how polished your look appears. Step 9 is super important, especially if you're planning to be in front of flash photography. This is all about avoiding that dreaded flashback. Flashback happens when your makeup, particularly your powders, contains certain ingredients like silica or titanium dioxide. These ingredients can create a white cast on your face, which makes you look washed out in photos, and no one wants that. To avoid this, always check the ingredient list on your setting powders, foundations, and even your SPF products. If you're heading to a photo shoot or event where there will be a flash, opt for powders that are labeled flashback-free or silica-free. You can also try setting sprays that are designed to give you a matte finish without any risk of flashback. Trust me, this little detail can make a huge difference in how your makeup looks when captured on camera. Step 10 is all about locking in your hard work with a good setting spray. Now, I know it might seem like an optional step, but trust me, setting spray is a total game changer. After you've applied your makeup, a setting spray acts like insurance for your face. It keeps everything fresh, flawless, and camera-ready for hours, no matter what the day or night throws at you. Setting spray helps your makeup stay in place, prevents any unwanted shine or smudging, and ensures that your look remains picture-perfect. It also helps to blend everything together, giving your makeup a more natural, seamless finish. There are different types of setting sprays depending on your needs. Some are mattifying if you have oily skin, while others give a dewy finish for those who love a glow. So after you've completed your look, give yourself a few spritzes of setting spray, hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face, and let it dry down naturally. I promise this step will make sure your makeup looks as fresh at the end of the day as it did when you first applied it, and it'll definitely keep you looking flawless in photos. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to create a stunning photogenic makeup look. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you love these tips, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which of these steps is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.